So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Smart Clock. This is just like Lenovo's Smart Display, which comes in an 8-inch or 10-inch version. This one has a 4-inch display with 480 by 800 resolution, and it's WVGA IPS. You get 8 gigs of internal storage, 1 gig of RAM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It's running Android things, has Google Assistant, all that type of stuff. So let's dig inside the box. As you can see here, here's the device itself. It has kind of like a cloth-like exterior, just like on the Google Home Mini. On the top you have the volume up and down buttons, the display. That's the My Commute button, that's for the power, and that's a USB port. So you can plug in your phone. Also inside the box, you get the wall adapter, which just plugs in like this. And that's about it. So that's been a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Smart Clock. It's available now in the US and Canada.